Brookside at Prescott Lake subdivision of Prescott, Arizona. Nice shot of the neighborhood. We go up the driveway to the house. A lovely covered front porch area. This home is done in a mid-century modern style. Most of the furnishings are available outside of escrow. Beautiful stonework fireplace, lots of natural light. Open concept. Here's the kitchen. All new appliances. A gas top stove. Peek of the pantry. Nice kitchen-style bar. Right off the living space is a bonus room that can be an office or seating area. Lots of light. Here is the laundry room. Lots of cabinets, folding space, plantation shutters throughout the home. Off of the laundry room is the garage. It's a 2-car garage, epoxy floors, lots of storage. Extra refrigerator and a workbench. Heading back inside the house. Across the home there are 2 bedrooms, a primary and a guest. The primary is to the right, an ensuite bath, double sink, and a walk-in shower. Here's the walk-in closet. Lots of space. Potty closet is to the right. Take a look at the primary bedroom. Nice and spacious, high ceilings. A semi-split floor plan. The other bedroom is down the hall. There's a linen closet, guest bath, shower, and tub. Here is the guest bedroom. Moving to the backyard. Really nice and big backyard. Lots of turf. Covered back patio. Professional landscaping, very low maintenance. Lots of nice mature trees. Room for a fire pit or outside dining. Around the side of the house, there is room for a lovely garden. And that's it.